Here's a balcony stateroom tour on the Norwegian Sun. So you need to put your key card in here to get electricity in the room for power. Let's look at the storage space. So there are life preservers up here, a lot of storage space for putting things on shelves, and also you can hang some longer things like pants and dresses here. Let's see the rest of the room. So the heating is right up here. You can adjust that. And let's look at the bathroom. This is kind of an older fashioned. This ship was built in 2001, so it doesn't have as much space as some of the newer ones, have much larger shower spaces. This has body wash and combination shampoo and conditioner, and it has some kind of a hair dryer right here. And then it's got the vanity with some shelf space and a small sink and soap with tissues and toilet paper and extra toilet paper and a trash can. Then we'll look at the rest of the room. So here we've got more storage space, a safe, some shelving, there's some more drawers down here, and some extra space down here. So with the beds, you can have them apart for twin beds or put them together as a queen. Each side has a reading lamp kind of lighting, and each side has a USB. You can put things on that little table, and there's some shelving there. And there's a couch on the side. This side also has a USB and the light switch there. So here we've got a desk, a small television, and some more shelving. And we have a little gift from Mo. Thank you very much. There's one in the corner here. And then there's another one near the TV. So there's another European and also the North American regular plug. So you're going to need to bring an extension cord or some kind of an outlet that has more little receptacles for you to use for all the things you need to charge up. And then there's more shelving and a small fridge right here. So they have a few things in there, but that's for purchase, so don't drink those. You can store your own items in there. There's more storage space right here. So there's a lot of storage space for all the clothes that you have with you while you're traveling. And then just get the luggage out of the way under the beds. Here's the bedding, the couch right next to it. That probably becomes another bed. So if you had more than 2 people in this room, you could open this up and it would be another bed. And it looks pretty large too. So let's look at the balcony. We're in Seattle and it's a beautiful day. Look at that. So the balcony is a nice size. It's got 2 chairs and a small table. It's really great to order room service. If you fill this sheet out, in all the rooms they've got this room service and mini bar menu. And right here they have breakfast service. If you fill this out and put it out on your door handle outside in the hallway, you can order whatever you want and say the time you want it delivered and have some nice coffee and breakfast while you enjoy the view outside your balcony. That's what's great about a balcony. Enjoy your cruise. Bye.